To talk in English smartly isn't a good quality. I know it's a good quality. So how much is necessary in a practical life? That's a matter point here to understand what I'm telling. So what I'm asking right now, just I'm in front of you on the screen, just you're watching this video on the Facebook to make understand just actually what's going on here, what I'm telling, what type of message just I'm passing to you to make you understand. That's the main point. Yeah, about the importance of English. You know that now it's days of competition, days of technology, days of science also. So in the competitive base, this really is emergency for all of us to learn smart English. And without this, it's really impossible for us to change your life. So that's the matter. So try to realize from your heart what I'm telling. That's the main point. I know most of the students of our country are really so interested to learn English, but I think they are not so careful about this matter. They try to neglect the thing. So what's the main point? This is the main point here. Because just at present, if I talk about the present situation, then I should try to make you realize the fact that you must learn smart English. Yes. Without this is really so intricate to change your life. So try to understand what I'm telling. Especially in Bangladesh, it's a developing country. It's not so developed like the America, Australia, or Canada, or any other countries in the world. So being a citizen of American, not American, but not being a citizen of Canada, or not being as an Australian, just you're a Bangladeshi person. So what you should do, yes, you should try heart and soul to change your life. Otherwise, all of us, we are very interested to change your life. We are very interested to lead a developed life. But what's the problem that we can pass different type of things here that is required the industry or the hardworking person to make your life, but actually we are not interested to do that. We just try to catch it within an easy way or in a short time, and that's the matter. And it's really so intricate for us to do that within a short time. Because success doesn't come automatically. We must try for this. We must be hardworking person to get the success eventually, and that's the main point. And I'm telling it here to make a message here to give you something ideas. Many of the students, especially who studied here, just I want to talk about honors level or the graduation level or the post-graduation, or who have completed his graduation already. Just many of the people or the students, a lot of students in the country are unemployed. But what's the problem? Why are they unemployed? Because they are not so skilled. They have the quality. Just they have written in the exam, they didn't learn anything practically, they have memorized the pages of their book, and after that, at the time of exam, they went to the exam and just they presented it nicely. And in this way, they got the good marks. They passed their graduation. They passed their post-graduation. But they are not qualified, and that's the main problem. But actually, most of the young generation already have told in my message to make you understand. Once again, I would like to repeat that to make it so clear that they're not so interested to do any hard work. But we must be hardworking person. Otherwise, it's not so easy to get the success. Because you know that life is not a bed of roses. So that's the main problem. But we think it's a better process. It's so easy. Automatically, I'll get the success. So no, it's not reality. They're so intricate. They're so hard. They're so complex for us to get the success automatically. So we must be industrious. We must be diligent. Regularity of to maintain this type of things, that after getting up from the bed in the morning, you should try to think that what will I do today, how I should pass my day today, how I should go abroad, to what to do actually everything. Yes, don't be frustrated, but most of the people, especially the young generation, the young girl, the young boys, they are so frustrated now because they are not qualified, they have no qualification, they are not getting a good job, they can't lead a good life. But most of the young generation, they are suffering from the frustration, and that's what they should do, where they should go. In this way, they are leading a very miserable life. So we should try to realize the fact from the core of our heart today, what we should do, how we should go. That's the main point. So what am the main message and the focus and the gist of my message today? I want to make you understand that. Try to learn smart English and try to learn the computer. Computer is very necessary to my mind. I'm not a computer teacher, I'm not a computer trainer, but I want to make you understand that computer is so much necessary, so much important for us to learn at present to change your life. Because without this type of qualification or the knowledge about the computer or technological knowledge, you can't get a good job, you can't go ahead anyhow. It's not possible. And if I ask you the question, is it possible for you to go ahead with the learning computer, with having the knowledge about the technology? I think you'll also answer, no, it's not possible. You'll agree with me to my point about this matter. So try to realize what I'm telling. So dear young generation, dear young guys, dear brothers and sisters, I want to suggest you as a teacher or as a friend, try to learn English, try to learn computer. So only two things. One is English, another is computer. Try to learn from now, from today. And inshallah, after a few days or after a few months, you will be able to do something to change your life. You'll get a scopes, you'll get a chance, you'll get a floor to do something honestly. So try to lead the honest life. Because if you're interested to live the dishonest life, I think you can go ahead or you can go forward. For a few days, I think you can go, but after you may face different type of problems. So we must realize the fact, what you should do, how you should approach to do something better in your life. So dear guys, I'm sorry that I have taken a lot of time to give you some information today in my tutorial, in my videos. So actually it's just only to make yourself conscious about how you should lead your life, what you should do, how you should prepare for the future so that you can improve your life. But that fact, today I have tried to give you some messages here to make you understand. So try hard, work hard, learn English, learn computer, and change your life. So I pray for all of you from the core of my heart. And that's just, I'm now talking, yes, from the mentors. It's an English institute, I think you know, and you have heard the name, the mentors, yes. And there's the region, yes. Learn English only within 2 months. Yes, somebody asked me, how is it possible to learn English within 2 months? Yes, the question is logical, I think, but I answer them, I reply them simply that yes, it's possible. Just to come to me and you get the training here, I'll try to teach you English. But you must follow my instruction. But if you're not interested to follow my instruction, that's not possible to learn English within the 3 months only, okay? Anyway, so dear learners, dear AB friends, dear all guys actually who love me, I also love you so much from my heart. So try to learn computer, try to learn English and change your life. So wish you all the best. Once again, I pray for all of you from the core of my heart. Be industrious and get a success and change your life. So wish you all the best. Take care. That's all about our tutorial today. That's all about our video clips today. That's all about our messages here. So take care. You will be seen once again with a new tutorial or new video very soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.